There are many ways you can earn passive income. You can do this for almost any industry, and I'm going to show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down how I earn passive income every day with SEO, and you can too. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. The first way is tools. A great example of this is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a free SEO tool. You can check it at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. And Ubersuggest will tell you your SEO errors. It'll tell you things that are wrong with your site. Now, of course, if I want the company to continually grow and be big, which we do, I have to have developers, engineers, product people, and the list goes on and on and on. But if I just wanted some side passive income, I could charge a monthly fee for the tool and not put a ton of resources and collect the checks. You wouldn't build a big business that way, but you can have a passive lifestyle, and software is one of the best ways to do so. If you don't have the ability to pay someone to build software, you can go look at sites like MicroAcquire, where you can buy existing software solutions and some of them run on autopilot, capture them, buy them, and just cash your checks. Or you can use sites like Code Canyon, where you can buy some of these existing tools. You're going to have to modify and make them better. Eventually add a way where you can collect payment options from them. And again, collect your passive income. What I found in one of my favorite strategies out of everything is the MicroAcquire approach, in which you go and you find some tools that are sale for really cheap. You buy them and you just collect your passive checks. And what's crazy about MicroAcquire is they have a deal with this company called CapChase, which allows you to buy the company. You don't really have to put any money out of your pocket. It's financed through them. And in essence, that passive income's paying for the tool. And then eventually, once it's paid off, you own it and you're collecting the passive income. It's an amazing strategy. The second way is courses. I used to have a program called the Advanced Marketing Program. And the Advanced Marketing Program was this 48-week module course that teaches you all aspects of marketing: SEO, pay-per-click, conversion optimization, and the list goes on and on. I don't really sell the Advanced Marketing Program anymore, nor can you buy it. It's not available. But if I wanted to, I could keep selling it. During the peak, the Advanced Marketing Program was doing around $600,000 a month. Let me repeat that. It was doing around $600,000 a month. Now, my course wasn't as passive as most people probably would like. I was putting a lot of effort, running ads. I was literally putting in so much effort, refreshing and revising my old content, making it better, selling higher ticket items. But what you can do is use a platform like Kajabi and set up a course. Once your course is up and running, you can just start driving traffic through Facebook ads. Or this one's even easier, go find the online course sites like the Udemy's or Coursera's or whatever ones that allow you to upload your own course that already have the audience. They take a cut, and even if you're getting a smaller check, you don't have to do anything. You just have to create the content. It lives on there. Just undercut everyone in price, create a handful of them, and it's actually not that hard to generate a few thousand to $5,000 a month just doing that. That's a great way to generate passive income. Broke down 2 strategies for you. I recommend that you check them out. These course sites, they already do well through SEO and they rank for a lot of stuff, so that drives traffic. Tools, they rank really well on Google and generate links, so over time you can get more and more traffic. But that's what I would do if I were you. In essence, they're an indirect way of using SEO to drive some traffic, but it does really well. And you can reach out to other people who already have rankings and articles that talk about tools or courses, ask them to include yours. It'll drive more sales to you. It's well worth it. If you're not leveraging passive income and you want more flexibility with your lifestyle and traveling, I highly recommend that you check these strategies out. If you enjoy the video, like it, share it. I know it's a little bit short, but I didn't want to give you 10 ways when I know there's 2 amazing ways that I've loved that I recommend that everyone check out. Thank you for watching.